All right, just a little follow-up. This one goes out to all you dicks out there who have to use your fucking intuition and feel into it to realize whether or not it's okay to fuck your friends over for money. What is there to feel into? Are you serious? You have heard of this before. This is not new news. No. No. I'm so glad that you all are using this time to deeply attune in with your third eye and open up your crown chakra to really register whether or not stealing from people that you love is of the highest and best world order. And I'm also here to offer you a very simple tactic that I call basic math and basic common sense and simple logic.